A disposable cosmetic sponge is a sanitary and versatile tool for applying makeup. The most common use is for applying foundation. Apply foundation directly to the sponge. Gently drag the sponge to evenly distribute the foundation to the face and neck. Squeeze the center of the sponge to create a small point for hard-to-reach areas.